If you're like most people, life is busy with little time for interruptions. So when your car breaks down, it can be as stressful as it is expensive. One of the best ways to avoid car trouble is with preventive maintenance, including keeping your engine clean. A clean engine air intake system is essential to vehicle reliability and dependability. The mass airflow sensor is a critical part of your vehicle's electronic fuel injection system, designed to accurately measure the amount of air entering the engine. So it is imperative that the mass airflow sensor be clean and free of debris. A contaminated mass airflow sensor can cause several drivability concerns that can lead to problems including poor acceleration, lack of power, rough idle, check engine light, and poor fuel economy. Berryman Mass Airflow Sensor Spray Cleaner quickly and safely cleans contaminated mass airflow sensors and allows engine computers to optimize the air-fuel ratio for smoother acceleration and greater power. Berryman's exclusive fast-drying formula was designed for maximum compatibility with all plastic housings and sensitive platinum sensors. Keep your engine breathing cleaner and performing at its peak with Berryman Mass Airflow Sensor Spray Cleaner.